Alright guys, so here are the seeds that our friends gave us. This one is flower. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Monday and it is now the time to sow our seeds, and I'm going to try, this is my first time to do this method guys. I'm going to try to sow the seeds in a plate, yes, and with the kitchen towel we are going to put water, and then we are going to put the seeds. I'm going to show you all the seeds that I have in here that our friends gave us. And then after that guys, once we put all the seeds, of course we are going to put the names guys, yeah, of the seeds, so when they start to grow we know that what kind of plant that we saw. Okay, and then after that guys, once putting the seeds and the names and all that, we are going to put in a plastic bag and we are going to cover it, and we are going to keep it in a dark place, and we are going to leave it here in the kitchen, because the warmest place guys is our kitchen, because most of the seeds they need maybe 4 days, 7 days until 14 or 12 days to germinate the seeds. So what we are going to do is we are going to live here in our kitchen, because as I've said that it is the warmest place. And then once we will see the white like the root guys, when the root starts to grow, then it is time to take the seed out, and then we are going to transfer in a semillero guys. Okay, so let's see. Alright guys, so here are the seeds that our friends gave us. This one is flower, it's called zinnia. Yes guys, we also have alfalfa, this is alfalfa. We have amaranth, this is also flower. We also have calendula, porus, this one is leeks, daikon or labanos guys, this one is labanos, daikon. All right, we have perilla, this is also a kind of like plant. This one is like the flower or the leaves are purplish, dark purple in color. Okay, we have this carbasa. Carbasa is calabasa or squash guys. Yeah, this is like cabel de angel. I don't know how this one in English. I don't know the name this one in English. I think this one is like the spaghetti squash. This is spaghetti squash guys. We have zucchini, we have okra, we have, this one is lettuce. Yeah, I think the purple one. We have saponaria. I don't know what is saponaria in English. This one is chili bicho. Bicho, it means it is very spicy. This is the plant, the sensitiva. We have this in the Philippines as well. When you touch it guys and then it glows, so that is sensitiva they call it. And can you see can you see this kind of plant guys is they conserve here and they plant in here, but in our place in the Philippines we just ignore them, we just take them out, right? Because we thought that it's not worth it to have this kind of plant, but here, yeah. And we also have this tomato. This is tomato to conserve, and this kind of tomato is to spread on the bread. We have Pebrot Italia Amanita. This one is for a salad. This is pepper, Italian pepper guys. This one is long and green. And we have this Aubergine is aubergine or eggplant. This eggplant is long and black. Yeah, so we have this one as well in the Philippines. And this one is Chalidonia mayos. I don't know what is this. Chalidonia. I don't know what it. This api is celery. This one is Artemisia annual. I think this one is okay. Okay, Sabrina gave me this one. Okay, Artemisia, yes. Asparagus. We have asparagus. We have rucola or arugula. This is for salad. Rudbeckia. This is flour. And we also have Maria Luisa. This one is also kind of flour. Is it flour, Daddy? The Maria Luisa? Okay. So my husband said that this one is herbal or aromatic plant, guys, this one. And this one, tobacco, is tobacco. They said that it's nice also to plant this tobacco for plants, guys. I mean for the insects, because they help the insects to go away, the not good insects. And this one is tomata de tetilla. I don't know this one, tomato, guys, is tomata. But the tetilla, I don't know what kind of tetilla. Okay. Okay, Cariño. Okay, so we can use this one to cook also, guys. Yeah, this is aromatic plants. And we can use to cook. Yes. And this tomato kumato is a Japanese tomato, which is dark green, very, very dark, guys, the color. And it's sweet, it's good. And this one is hybrid tomato. Okay, this one is just like the normal one, like we normally put this one in salads, this one, because it's quite hard and fleshy, I mean. Yes. And we have these mello is melon with the, like, you know, the skin is like bullfrog, like that, guys. That's why they call it mello pel de gripau. And this one also is the tomato cherry kamatu. This one is tomato cherry tomato, and the name is Komato. We also have these red bell pepper. This one is for grilling, guys. This one is big ones. And we have this aubergine. This aubergine is round and black as well. Okay, so we are going to have a lot of that. Aubergine blanca. We also have white eggplant. Can you see? Aubergine is aubergine or eggplant, white eggplant. And we also have this alfabrega. This is also aromatic plant, which we can also use in cooking. And we also have this mongeta perular. So this one is like patani in our place, guys. So finally we have this one. So I'm so thankful to our dear friends for all of these. We're going to have a lot of provisions in here. Vegetables. We're going to have lots of vegetables in here, guys. And I also have different kinds of seeds. So we're going to sow or plant with these different kinds, a little bit of everything, so we have a lot of variety. Yes, so let's do this, guys. Let's do this. I will show you. Okay.